finally got my blower project done, my vacuum, on a C160 without removing the floorboards. See how the belts ran? I purposely put that pulley out a little bit on the bottom so that they'd run off center, because I knew they'd barely clear here. And they just sort of touch, but not bad. It'll be okay. I did have to remove about 3/4 of an inch off of that. Might not even have had to, but I did. This has to come off. That rubber bumper gets in the way of the belt, so it's got to come off. You see, it just barely clears everything. It runs up over that idler. I think I'm gonna put a little metal shield on the filter. Yeah, I know it's got the wrong filter on it. It was just temporary, because that belt just barely clears that filter. Little piece of metal on there. That'll protect that filter, or put a shorter filter on it. Running down under the axle, just fits. I know, I'm terrible at videos, but hopefully it helps people. Everything barely fit, but it works. I tried it yesterday. Okay, hope this helps somebody. That you cannot raise the deck on this thing with the belt running. As you see, the deck is on the ground. You can raise it up when the deck's not running, when the PTO is not engaged, but it's just too close back there. You can't run it with the deck up. That's the only drawback of this.